Good morning, students. We are now in lesson 11 of Foundation of Shorthand. Now, for this lesson, you will learn word endings shon, shensi, and shent, the symbols that we use for numbers, and phrases containing been, able, and to. So, una is yung sound ng shon, as in nation. So, we use the ish symbol. Sample words: nation, nation. Nation L, national. SEcation, section. VACation, vacation. KOLEcation, collection. SELEcation, selection. APLEcation, ulitin natin outline. APLEcation, application. F-ation, fashion. And then DS-ation, decision. LOCation, location. OCation, occasion. OCation, LE, occasionally. EDUCation, education. PROVation, provision. And POSEtion, possession, position. Okay, then operation, operation. Operation S, operations. Cooperation, cooperation. Portion, portion. PRO, ulit. PROM, ocean, promotion. And corporation, corporation. Okay, so dito naman tayo sa word ending shensi. So we use the shun or the ish symbol. Ish, S-E. Ish, S-E. Okay. Example. Efficiency, proficiency. Okay, for the efficiency, E-F-E, shon, S-E. Ulit. Efficiency, efficiency. Okay. For word ending shent, we use ish-t. Example, patient, patient. Patiently, patiently. Proficient, proficient. Efficient, efficient. Efficiently, efficiently. And sufficient, sufficient. Okay, next, we have the number symbols. 200, 5,000, 300,000, 6,000,000, $8, $600, $7,000, $800,000, 10,000,000, 750 cents. Sa cents, inaalis lang natin yung point. And then, $1, $1,000,000. Okay. So for 100, we use the short line, N. For thousand, we use the over eth symbol. Then for the million, we use the M. For dollars, we use D. Okay. Now, sa pesos naman, we will be using the P symbol. Like for example, 10 pesos. Okay. So we use P for peso. Okay. Now, for the being able phrases, the B symbol may represent been, and the A symbol may represent able. For example, HAS been has been. HAS been able has been able. You have been. You have. Okay, sorry. You have not been able. We have not been able. Okay, it overlap. Let me repeat. We have not been able. Okay. Next. I have not been able. Sorry, nag-overlap na ako. We have not been. Okay. And then, we have not been able. And then, I have not been able. Okay. Then, will be able. You will be able. Okay. And in common phrases, the T symbol represents the word to. Halimbawa, to have and to be. Okay, so for lesson 11, we have the being able and to phrases. Then we have the number symbols, and then word ending shent, shensi, and word ending shon. So that's it for lesson 11. See you in lesson 12.